Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on your POCO M5. So to start, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to download it in our previous video. Now let's open it. Right here, locate the folder with files that you want to unpack. Select it. Click on this arrow pointing up. That way you'll enter extraction options and you can change them right here. But I'm just gonna go with a different designation where to unpack the files by clicking on the browse. Here we can go with movies folder, click on OK, and your files should be unpacked right there. Now let's check them, and they're right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.